Everyone knows the benefits of mobility, but that doesn't mean that mobile deployments are easy. As many companies have discovered to their disadvantage, the risks can be significant. Failed projects cost. Since 1999, we've delivered mobile projects for some of the world's leading infrastructure and utility companies. So here's our top 3 tips to de-risking your next mobile investment. Adopt an open technology. Different users have different needs, so don't focus on the device. Technology changes rapidly, and new devices and platforms are released all the time. Not to mention what happens when big tech companies get involved. You can avoid these issues by separating your business processes from the underlying technology. Be flexible. Business processes change, sometimes even during the course of your project. While change is inevitable, you never know what this will be. Your mobile solution should allow you to easily react to these changes, as and when they happen. By picking the right solution, you can focus on the areas that deliver the most value now, while having the flexibility to accommodate business changes later. Engage the users. Involve your end user in the design process. Give them a choice in device selection and ask them how the new solution could improve their job, and they'll embrace your mobile investment. Working with an experienced partner can provide insights into what has worked well in other organizations and may help the smooth adoption of the technology.